What's up, Cavalactals? Welcome to Bali. Have a look at the beautiful place I'm staying at. Oh my god, so refreshing. Got a nice week ahead of recovery, mental reset before we tackle the next few wrestling events. Let's see what happens. So this is the gym setup. Oh my goodness. How good. All this greenery, beautiful. Just the right amount of equipment. There's me with the AC about to be pumping because it's hot in Bali.
Let's go. Get it. All the way.
Hey!
Man. 7. Yep. 8. Good. Shut up. Good.
Go, Cub. Wow.
Stay there. Come here.
Yes, Cub. That's stupid. No way.
Yes, there you go.
Get it. What? Yeah.
One more.
Let's go.
You want the camera?
Let's go. Get it. You said you're going to get it, bro. Nice, brother.
Yes, and. Wait, you did not.
Look at that coconut. Show us. What's in it? Lime? Is it healthy?
A little bit.
Better be. How many calories? It's got protein?
I don't know. I don't know.
I don't think so.
I think it's a little bit.
A little bit, maybe.
Yeah, as long as possible.
Oh, no fucking way. This is freezing, man.
Yeah, it's because you're feeding it, bro. I'm telling you.
This guy's like Spider-Man. Ass first.
Yeah, just go ask first and then do your legs.
Nah. Oh,
Just dip.
bro. I gotta make him sauna, man.
Breathe, like deep
Sauna was
breath.
dinner.
Deep breath. Hey, sorry, the bottom of my feet got so numb.
Oh! Alright.
My feet. My feet, bro. The feet,
Come on, a minute. Oh. I'm shivering, bro.
Hey, you're
Getting
fucking
hypothermia.
you're a weapon for standing like that.
Come on, get back in. Jump.
Drop your shoulders.
I'm taller than you. I gotta go fucking deeper.
Drop your shoulders, mate. Drop your shoulders.
It's like being in Antarctica, man. Talk to me, man. Distract me.
In and out.
In and out. This guy's breathing heavy, man. Oh, my feet. The feet's the worst. Fuck, I'm walking on ice. Alright. So, who's your favorite superhero?
Fuck, I gotta fucking think about it, bro.
Trust me, it works, man. You gotta distract your mind.
Batman.
Batman, yeah. Batman, definitely. Batman and Superman. Top 2.
Hey, drop your shoulders and these last 15.
That's it. My feet, man. My feet. Do we?
Yeah. Hello.
My muscly?
Hi,
So-
welcome to Bali.
Welcome to Bali. Do you like my muscles?
Let's go.
Oh, show us.
Yeah.
You're bigger than me.
No.
Why weren't you in the gym before? How good's living? About to do some breath work, which would be cool. Something I've never done. All the way up here, up these stairs. See what happens. It was like one of the worst experiences of my life. Which one's your favorite? Which one?
I love it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Woohoo! Look at that, beautiful.
There you go.
Yeah.
Right. that beautiful view.
Hello.
Hello, Australia.
Hello Australia.
Aussie.
Oi. Yeah, brother.
Perfect. That's my stop. Yep.
Yeah.
My man. Okay, John. John,
Nice to meet you, brother.
thank you very much.
Welcome,
Have a good
boss.
day.
Have a good day, brother.
Alright, we're about to do the ATV bikes. You got a big head. Look handsome? Good? Okay, suksama. What do you think, B? He's calling me big? Big head, yeah?
Yeah. Big head.
Go. Damn, it's gonna be fun. Getting some pictures on the waterfall. How are we doing?
Yes, sir.
How are you feeling?
Pardon?
Your money?
Yeah.
Do you share off?
You got a shower. Thank you. Woohoo! Yes, sir. Yeah.
Brand new, I'm still reborn.
Let's go! Woohoo! Yeah! Reverse. Yep. All good. Let's go! Woohoo! Go!
Sun's coming out, beautiful.
Thank you, sir.
How do I say so fun. Balinese.
You fun, me fun.
Buban, biban. No. How do I say? Teach me a word. Teach me.
What word?
So good. Have fun.
Bagus.
Bagus.
Bagus sama.
How do you lock your bike? How do you lock it?
This one. Two hands.
Here.
Yes.
Okay.
If you want to go, just click, yeah? Let's go! This is just one line.
One line?
Go there and then go back here. Yes. Yes. Let's go. Yes, this is the last trip.
Suksema, so much fun.
Suksema Mawali.
You're the man.
Let's go.
Are we in the back cave?
Yes. Oh, good, sir.
I think I might stay here forever. That was so much fun. How do I look? Not too dirty. What's the result? My ankles are killing. There's no ankle support. I feel my ankle's gonna break.
Too much water.
Yeah, too much water. And this brand new bag ruined. It was worth it. Suksema Mawali.
Suksema, thank you.
Suksema,
You welcome Suksema Mawali.
Ah, that's your Suksema. You say it again. Thank you. You're welcome.
Yeah.
Suksema Mawali. Oh,
Yeah.
how do I say thank you very much? Thank you very much.
Suksema, just Suksema.
Suksema. Oh, okay. Suksema. Suksema, everybody. Thank you very much.
Let's go. Bro, you guys look the exact same. Oh.
Skin colors right here.
6 pack, 6 pack, 1 pack. 2 pack.
We've made it to a waterfall. This is unreal. But have a look at these. Mum's gonna love this. This one's for Cover's mum. My mum's a hero. Hello. Who's kids? Hello. Hello, how are you? Where's your kite? Is that a kite? Where? That is sick. Back in my day, we had down ball. And these kids are throwing kites in the air. That is so cool. Oh, it's living. Woohoo! Suksema! Alright gang, trip is coming to a close and I've decided to treat myself with some chocolate ice cream. Nice peaceful moment by myself, everybody's gone to sleep. There's no way I can sleep right now. That was so much fun. Bali, Suksema. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my vlog of Bali.